Before starting the video, let me introduce myself first. I am Sharan and I have completed BE Mechanical Engineering. And in this video, I am gonna give you an overview of English communication, how to learn English communication from scratch to proficient level. So this is not gonna be an interpretation of each and every step. This is gonna just be a route map to learn English communication from scratch to proficient level. Let's get into the video. Initially, the basic step. I'm gonna give you the basic step. So in the first step, you need to learn alphabets. So what are the alphabets? Alphabets are nothing but from A to Z. They are alphabets, and you need to learn the vowels and their pronunciations. What are the vowels? Vowels are nothing but A, E, I, O, U. So you need to learn the A, E, I, O, U vowels and their pronunciations, and as well as consonants. The remaining things are consonants, so that you need to learn the consonants and as well as their pronunciation. Then you need to learn parts of speech. What are the parts of speeches? Well, we have noun, pronoun, verb, adjectives, adverbs, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So these are the parts of speech. So you need to learn these things. And then you need to learn tenses. Here we have 12 tenses, which are simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Then we have past perfect, present perfect, future perfect. Then we have past continuous, present continuous and future continuous. Then past perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, then future perfect continuous. So these are the 12 tenses you need to learn, and you need to learn the modification of verbs according to the tenses. Then you need to learn how to form a basic sentence. In formation of basic sentence, you need to know what is subject, what is object, and then what is verb. So then you can easily learn the formation of sentence. You need to learn conversion of active voice to passive voice and passive voice to active voice. So this video is just about an overview of English grammar communication. In upcoming videos we will see it even more detailed, so don't get worried about that. And the simple trick I would like to tell you all, which is, rather than speaking English, sharing in English and having conversation with friends, you need to think in English. That is very, very important to become a proficient in English communication, and it would be also easy to crack IELTS exam. So start to think in English. Then finally you need to read, you need to write, you need to practice reading and writing in English communication. Then you need to watch English shows like Netflix series and Amazon series in English series, and then you need to start thinking English in each and every second. For example, let me give an example for you. Suppose if I'm thinking like ayyo na enna panna poren, I am just thinking in Tamil, ayyo na enna panna poren, and I'm gonna think it in English, which means ayyo, what am I gonna do right now? So you need to start, you have to start to think in English. And finally, make more grammatical mistakes. So grammatical mistakes make you more proficient in English communication. So make more grammatical mistakes. Don't regret about that, and learn how to rectify it from your mistakes. Learn how to rectify it from your mistakes. So these are the basic steps to learn English communication, and I'll give you an interpretation of each and every steps in upcoming videos. So thank you, dudes, and I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you to all.